Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ella and this is my sister,
Sophie.
And so basically, today we're going to do a lot of bird related things. So you guys have like a 10-minute, maybe 11-minute video of just a bunch of birds stuff in general. So we're going to do a bird egg sweep. So if we find any egg samples or eggs that are not hatched on the ground, I'm going to show you Ross and Rachel. If you guys don't know, there was a bird.
There's a bird nest.
Yes, there's two birds. Ross, the mom, the dad, and Rachel, the mom. We named it after their friends.
Pancakes,
and they
waffles.
laid eggs. Yeah,
and we also have
we'll show you that.
But
yes, so first I'm going to show you the bird eggs, and then we can get into this bird sweep and all that stuff. So first, this is samples that we found. So I found this one the other day. It still had the yolk, so it just hatched. There was actually a bug eating it, but it just had a little hole in it, like a pip at first, but it kind of crushed around to pick it up. So a little thing for that. And then I'm not sure what this is. It was a big white egg, so we sampled that. And then we have 2 bags, and we're going to go see if we can find some eggs. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so for the bird sweep, we're going to go outside, and we're just going to check in different areas to make sure there's no eggs. Alright, so it's a lovely day outside today. So yeah, we're also going to show you, I forgot to say this earlier, but we're going to show you our perch we made outside. So first, we're going to show you Ross and Rachel's babies. So basically, they made a nest on our chair in the tiki bar, like right here.
It's so cute.
And we're going to show you. In a helmet, but I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a baby sleeping on the corner. I'll circle it.
Oh my goodness.
So you guys can see.
So
oh, hi, baby! Oh, the baby's hungry. Yes, if we do find Ross and Rachel, we'll do that. But we're going to show you guys the stuff first, and then we can kind of do it. So, yeah. We're heading down here. Yes, they're so cute. That was Waffle that I'll circle. Basically, this is what me, Levi, and it's a bird area. So, basically, so Ross and Rachel can get their worms and stuff. So, we have a water dish for them to take a bath. This was a sign. It said Birdville, but now it doesn't. And then it's just a perch kind of that we made. This is all, we didn't use anything that was like, this is all dirt. And we have different areas for them to climb on. And Rachel, but Ross, L-O-V, yes. Like, he loves it so much. So, yes, but now we're going to go do the little search. Egg search. So, if he's going to carry the wagon, you're going to pull that. Because, alright, so she's going to pull the wagon, and we're going to go look. So, when we do this, we kind of just, to hold that, we just kind of look around the yard in different places. So, yes, we're going to show you guys that if we find anything good. This was the areas where I found lots in the past. But, a few years back, lots of years, we found, like, eggs that weren't fertilized, which is kind of cool. I know, I showed them. Alright, this is where we usually find eggs. But I think there is a nest in another tree. Well, if we do see Ross and Rachel feeding the babies, we'll definitely show you guys. Alright, so we're going to kind of look. See what a good search. Places like this would be where eggs would be. I'm pretty sure there is a nest up here. But I don't think there is anymore. I don't know. Alright, we're going to kind of keep looking. What hurts? Yeah, there's nothing over here. This is like a thick bush, so we're going to look somewhere else. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see. Way back there. Am I on it? That bird. I don't know if you guys can see it. That bird is pregnant. So, or that's like, yeah. We keep seeing her and her husband, we're going to call it husband a lot lately. So, yeah, we're thinking like this. Alright, so we're going to check over here. We're just going to kind of smell this rock. It is lovely. Like, when I say lovely, it is amazing out here.
We have like 4 rocks in our yard.
We have like huge boulders. People who lived here before us, and it's so comfortable to lean against them. But I think we're going to go check the camp.
Over there?
Yeah, we're definitely going to go check the camp, and yeah, we'll see. Oh, birdies. My dad's gonna move the bird feeder because it breaks my heart. It makes me want to cry because birds, we keep seeing the same yellow finch. It's golden finches, whatever you call them, yellow finches. And there's one bird, and he keeps coming up there because he's hungry. He doesn't get much food. And today he brought his family or friends. 3 of them were on the bird feeder, and there wasn't any food in it because we're worried about mice. So we're gonna, yes, it breaks my heart. So we're gonna kind of something like that. But yes, we're gonna check the camp, and stuff like that. So let's see. Sometimes there's bird eggs over here, but I don't think so this time. There is a tree, so we're gonna go check over there. All right, so now in our neighborhood we have a bunch of friends, and basically we have like a little camp where we hang out. So we're gonna go check at the camp because it's in the woods. All right, so we did find 2 in one day. So I don't think there's gonna be any for the next few days because yes. I'm so sad when the babies grow up. I'm gonna be so sad because it's been so cute. We saw Rachel incubating her eggs. We've seen them hatch. We've been like a part of the babies' lives. So like now it's just so sad to like see them growing up. We already had a fledgling and it already flew out of the nest. So now we have just the babies like waffles, but they haven't grown. Their eyes aren't even open and they've been hatched for like 3 weeks. So yeah. I'm not sure if they're runts or they're just tiny, so we're going to figure out. No, Mama comes. And same with Daddy. Oh my god, guys, so we're next to our neighbor's house, and a baby turtle got hit. You guys see that? It's so sad. Rest in peace, baby. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, if we had come earlier, that's so sad. Maybe we'll find something cool at the camp. Because we have not been here in like what feels like years because it's been so cold where we live. But now it's getting nice out because summer is in 20 days, baby. 20 days and it's June 1st. Woo-wee!
Like
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. So I haven't been posting in a while, and I posted 1 video.
Sorry about the noise, guys.
My birthday.
Sorry about the noise. Our neighbors are getting like something down on our house, and there's people with drills, but
I feel like we should have told our parents before.
Yes, but
Who cares?
We are having so much
3
fun.
seconds.
Oh, baby! Oh, that's not a baby, but it's so cute.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but you guys should definitely subscribe to our channel and Sophie's channel and the sibling channel. It is so nice.
It's a channel.
You should subscribe. Let's get Sophie to 20 subscribers before, let's see, June 21st. Before the summer starts, the first day of summer, let's get her to 20 subscribers. What do you think? Can we do that? Or at least 15. If we get 15, we will pie one of us in the face. She can pie me in the face, and then you guys, if one of her channel, if you can get this video to blow up to, let's see, if this can get 50 likes, I will do something fun. My hair is not pretty right now. I just woke up.
40 something views before.
Yes.
That's not too much compared to your channel.
Guys, the entrance blocked.
No, we can go that way.
Well, we can go this way, but I'm kind of scared. I'm nervous. Oh my god, there's spider webs. Oh my god, this is so gross. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Okay, not a good idea. Whoa. You told me, but I just tripped over a root and I went flying off the curb.
Okay, I'm not going in there because that was
Yeah, we're not going to go in there because there's a lot of spider webs. What if that was like a toxic spider and if it bites us, we're going to die? It's not. Okay, so we didn't find anything, which is sad because we didn't want to go in there. It was kind of gross.
I want to go see that baby turtle again.
I know. I feel so bad for that turtle, but whatever. Life is life. But snake discovery, if you are watching this, Ed and Emily, okay, listen.
Snake discovery.
Should I save baby turtles? Because we have, like, it's crazy. We have like a big pond where we live. It's like a pond in the back of our neighborhood, and we always get turtles, and they're always coming up, snapping turtles. And that turtle, and then we also had a snake the other day, and frogs, lots of animals like snake discovery you like.
I saw a frog the other day, and it wasn't dead.
Yes, toads, And they're all like in our yards and dying because they're like in the middle of the street and people back up and stuff and it kills them. So it's so sad. What was that?
No, I know.
But yeah. Yeah, if you don't know us, we love
Discovery.
Snake. I'm like their biggest fan. I love Snake Discovery. I want to meet them,
So
but
make sure to subscribe to the channel.
yeah, subscribe to Ed and Emily. Snake Discovery. They're the best. But we're gonna go home and then we'll do something else. We're gonna see if we can find any eggs. But yeah, that's it. All right, we're gonna pass by the turtle now.
Oh, we have to.
If the turtle was still alive and he was like, you know, alive, I would have picked him up and moved him out of the street, like inside like the pond or our backyard. But now the turtle. Now we can't do that because he's dead and I want to touch a dead turtle. Oh, little guy. I like you. Rest in peace, little buddy. That does look like a baby. But Snake Discovery, if you're watching this, again, tell me what that is. Is it a mac turtle? I don't know. So we're just going to show you guys. No, you can just hold this. We're just going to show you guys babies one more time. And I think we're going to end this vlog. Well, little bird video. Oh, I just ran through another spider web. Ew, ew, ew. That's disgusting. But yes, we're going to show you. Oh my god, can you hold this, Sophie?
Yeah.
Fine, I'll just put it right there. I'm going to show you babies one more time. Babies. Babies. Oh my god. Can you guys see it? Babies. Babies.